Hey guys, it's Shannon. I am so excited today to bring you our completed coffee bar. But before I get started with today's video, I wanted to take a second to thank Kirkland's and their brand new exclusive Rae Dunn collection. So let me take you back to what our space looked like before and then all of the things that we did to create it to make it look like it does today. So let's get started. At the space in the kitchen before. The entire wall, the trim, as well as the door all got a coat of white eggshell paint. Once the wall was painted, I taped off where I wanted the chalkboard wall. I made sure to tape off the trim and made a nice frame for where I wanted the chalkboard paint to go. We used this chalkboard paint by Rust-Oleum for the chalkboard wall, and it did take several coats of this. I started by going through the edges of the trim to make sure we didn't go past that paint line with the paintbrush first, and then we rolled the paint on next. And it did, like I said, take a few coats. It's a black paint going on a white wall, so it takes a little while for it to cover completely. Once the wall was painted, it was time to install the floating shelves. I have a full tutorial on how to build and install the floating shelves that you'll see in this video. However, I used 1x6s and some 4-inch L brackets for this project. It was actually a really easy process and went pretty quickly, so I'd highly recommend these beautiful floating shelves for not only a coffee bar, but anywhere in your home where you'd like some extra storage or display space. Once the shelves were installed, it was finally time to add the decor, which of course is my favorite part. And I have lots of Rae Dunn pieces that needed a place to be displayed, so this all worked out just beautifully. Of course, the chalkboard wall needed some chalkboard art. I also have a full tutorial on how I added all of the chalkboard art to this coffee bar, which I'll link up in the iCards as well as the description box below. It was actually really fun to sort of play with some designs and ideas, and it was easy to erase and rework the design if I didn't quite like the look of it. And I also really love that I can change the art to match the different seasons and holidays, so I'm looking forward to the versatility of this coffee bar. And here's a look at the before again. And here is a look at the completed coffee bar, completely styled and decorated and installed, and we just couldn't be happier with how it turned out. This coffee bar wood sign, of course, is a handmade piece by me with an original design, and you can find that in my Etsy shop, which is crossinmyheart.com if you'd like one for your own home. This fresh brewed coffee wood sign is also an original piece that you can find in my Etsy shop as well. I don't think you ever can really have enough Rae Dunn coffee mugs. I absolutely love them. It's fun hunting for them, and right now I have a collection of 10 of them. How many do you have? Do you have one? Do you have a bunch? I would love to know. Let me know in the comments below. I have to thank my mom for this Coffee's Done wood sign that she handmade for me, and it's just so cute, and it actually is hiding our thermostat back there, so it's kind of a nice feature. I was so excited when Kirkland's sent me this beautiful cloche by Rae Dunn, and I love it even more because it dones the word inspire, which is the whole mantra of my channel. This piece has a wooden base with a glass dome and a wood handle on the top. This piece looks lovely sitting on my coffee bar, but I know that I can also use it in different displays and in different areas of my home, and also add different pieces to it for the different seasons and holidays. Of course, every good coffee bar needs coffee and sugar, and I have it displayed on this nice metal pedestal. The chalk art really sort of fills in the holes because this is a pretty big space, so I love that the chalk art really adds that extra bit of detail. The cabinet also acts as not only a display space but also extra storage. These are a few more of my Rae Dunn treasures that I found, and I don't know about you, but every time I find a Rae Dunn piece, I sort of do a little happy dance. It's just very exciting, and I was very proud when I found these. I've been wanting the picture for a very long time. This burlap rug with a sweet saying sort of ties the whole space together and gives it all a very cozy and homey feeling. Thank you to Kirkland's for letting me sample one of these wonderful Rae Dunn collection pieces that are exclusive only at Kirkland's and kirklands.com. You can head over there. They have all kinds of great, wonderful things. There are lots of things I can't wait to get my own hands on. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if it inspired you. You can also share this with your friends and family so you can inspire them as well. Hit the subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.